everyone, this is Lori. Thank you so much for joining me this Wednesday. Today I'm going to show you a different way to use the little Dollar Tree containers. We used these containers before and made a seed bead top for them. With this particular one, we're making actual Christmas ornaments. Thank you very much to one of my subscribers who suggested this idea. I think it's very clever. So I used gingerbread stickers and Silly Winks craft foam, and we have an ornament here. And as you can see, it has some candy kisses in the back, and it turned out really cute. You can hang these on your Christmas tree, fill them with virtually anything you want. And I chose to use the mint truffle candy kisses, and I think these turned out really cute. Stickers are from Hobby Lobby. So I will show you exactly how I put these together. I think you're really going to enjoy this. Okay, so to start, you're going to need a 2-inch paper punch. I bought this a long time ago from Hobby Lobby, and it works very well with the Silly Winks craft foam that they have. And you get 12 by 18 sheets for 99 cents. I love them because they're wafer thin. I haven't seen anything as thin as these anywhere else, and they cut beautifully. I just punched them right out with my 2-inch circle punch. Okay, so the next thing you're going to need are some of these little plastic containers, like I did with my last craft video where I put beads around here. Okay, but we're going to use these a little differently. Thanks to one of my subscribers, she suggested in my last video with when I made these with the seed beads, to poke a hole here, right here, and they can hang on your Christmas tree as treat holders. And I thought that was a wonderful idea. And thank you so much. I appreciate the person who suggested this. So what we're going to do is I'm going to use some double-sided tape from the Dollar Tree. Okay, and of course, I mean, you could use Fabri-Tac on this, but not everyone has Fabri-Tac, so I'm just using the double-sided tape. It seems to stick very well. I just take small pieces and just put it around the edge like that, and then in the middle, and it works really well. And I'm using the gold because we're going to be making little gingerbread themed treat holders. Okay, so I'm just going to stick this right here on the lid, and it holds beautifully. Okay, now I'm going to do the inside too. Alright, I think on the inside I'm going to use red. I think that would be nice to use red. It would set off the candies that I'm going to use, because the candies have green wrappers. Now, if you do have Fabri-Tac, remember, you're not going to want to use it anyway on the inside of the lid. You're going to want to use this double-sided tape. And I will tell you, these little round containers from the Dollar Tree, you get 10 to a package, and they're hanging up with this. Okay, this is the label from the top. They're all hanging up in a clear bag with this on top, in the same aisle as the food storage containers are. So So I'm almost finished here. I'm going to place this right here. Okay, so it holds beautifully. And it's going to look pretty on the outside and the inside. Alright. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take some 1/8 inch ribbon. And I bought these at Walmart, where all their ribbons are in the craft department. They're 97 cents a piece. And I believe you get, let's see, yeah. It looks like, maybe it's, yeah, meters. Okay, 4.6 meters. And it's 1/8 of an inch by 5 yards. Okay. Yeah, 5 yards then. 4.6 meters. Okay. I'm going to take some Fabri-Tac for this because I'm going to need it for this. And I'm not putting a ton, just the slightest amount, and I'm just kind of spreading it with the nozzle here, okay? You don't want a ton of glue on here. Just enough to make it stick, and it won't take much at all to make this stick, that's for sure. Okay. And I'm going to take this gold ribbon. And by the way, they do have, oops, I'm going to start here at the top with a ribbon. By the way, they do have this ribbon in other colors. They have it in this pretty bluish green color. They have it in silver. They also had it in, and then gold, and they also had it in red and green. But I didn't pick those up, and I don't know why. When I got home, I thought, why didn't I pick those up too? They're only 97 cents, so. Alright, and then I'm going to cut this off right here. Alrighty. So this is what it looks like from the side. See, it gives it a little glimmer. And I did that because you really can't put much here without making it look kind of messy, so I thought, well, right on the side here, that'll look pretty. It kind of frames it. Okay, so now we're going to add some 3D stickers, and I found these cute little gingerbread stickers at Hobby Lobby. I did not pay $3.99 for them. Now, I didn't find these in the Christmas craft section. You know how they have the little kiosks all the way down the aisle full of Christmas crafting items? I found these in the regular sticker aisle, the Paper Studio sticker aisle, because they also have a few Christmas stickers there too. And see, I'm posting this on Wednesday, so yeah, they'll still be on sale for 40% off. See, 40% off this price through Saturday, and then the ad changes again on Sunday. But if you don't make it, don't worry about it, because they do put all their Paper Studio craft items on sale at least twice a month. Alright? Okay. So I just thought these were adorable. And I'm going to open this up. Take them out. Oops, better put the lid on my Fabri-Tac first. Okay, so I think I'm going to add this adorable little gingerbread lady right here. And it is 3D. It has one of those foam sticker things on the back. And that's important because with a sparkly background, you're going to want something that's 3D. And even though it sticks very well, I'm still going to put a little bit of tacky glue. Well, you could use tacky glue, I guess, but I meant Fabri-Tac. Yeah, I'm still going to put a little bit on there. And make sure this is at the top, because that's what you'll be, you're going to be poking a hole in there. Okay, so now along with this, I noticed they have peppermints and little gumdrops and wrapped candies. I think I might add, I wonder if this peppermint is too big. No, I think it'd be cute. And now the peppermints, they don't have any type of foam dot or anything like that, but I think that would be just fine. Yeah, I'll put that right there. Okay, so at the top, and I'm using my bottle cap punch. Works very well. Slides through just like butter. And so the next I'm going to take a 9mm jump ring. You can get these at Hobby Lobby or Michael's. And let's see, what did I do with these? Okay. And I'm going to feel around. Okay. Open it up. Now, you don't have to do this part, but I have these little tiny bells that you use on jewelry. I bought these at Hobby Lobby last year, and I believe I got these for like 60% off. There was a whole bunch of them in a bag, a little bag. There was red and green and gold and silver. So I thought it might be kind of fun to put a little tiny bell there. I already tried to use a larger bell, but it just didn't look right at the top. It was just too much, and I think this is perfect. And see, then you can just slip a cord or a ribbon, like we're going to do in a moment, to hang on the Christmas tree. Okay, so you could put a little bit of filler in here if you wanted to, like the paper fill from the Dollar Tree, but I didn't really think it was necessary. I bought these Hershey Kisses. They have the Candy Cane Kisses, but I bought the mint truffle. I thought it looked good. So I'm going to take, you can take as many as you want out, but I'm using about 5. You can use M&Ms or, anything you want, actually. Or you could even use this to hang on the tree, little bracelets or, small gifts, money. And see, there we have it in the back. And we've got that sparkly red fun foam or craft foam in the back. Okay, so I'm probably going to cut about, let's see, maybe about 8 inches of this 1/8 inch ribbon. And I'm just going to slip it through there. And then just use a couple of overhand knots. Okay, our little hanging gingerbread ornaments are finished. And of course you can see on the inside we have that sparkly red Silly Winks foam. So, and then we have this little one, of course. Put this on the front. There we go. And then we have this little guy, and this bell needs to go in the front as well. There we go. Aren't they cute? And thank you again to my subscriber who suggested this. It was really fun to make these, and I hope the rest of you enjoyed this as well. So thank you so much for watching, and God bless you. Have a Merry Christmas, each and every one of you. Bye-bye.